Good afternoon. I am Dr. Shanita Mays. I am the principal of Hoover Elementary School. I have been issued the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. This week, our students, grades K through 5, have been engaged in becoming more aware of ALS. They have learned that ALS is a disease that affects the nerves in your brain and the spinal cord. The ALS Challenge has helped to raise over $6 million. And they use an ice bucket challenge because when the ice water is poured on you, your nerves are affected, just like people with ALS. It's about raising awareness. Just like when people wear pink for breast cancer or blue for autism, it's not always about money. It's about awareness. So no, the Ice Bucket Challenge is not stupid. The Hoover students and staff are currently raising money. To date, we have raised over $715. I would like to send a challenge out to all educators to not only take the Ice Bucket Challenge, but to also educate your students as well as to donate. Thank you to all of the District 157 administrators who have joined me in the challenge. Ms. Creamer, Mrs. Ash, Mrs. Cross, Mrs. Young, and Ms. Clayton. Thank you. Here we go.
We should go get a bucket and come around the front.
Hey.